देवानामपि दुर्लभम् गुरुन् दयान् सम्प्राप्तौ. Because the kindness of Guru, and you get the sacred secret. When a student is matured enough, and his secret is taught to him. When he is matured enough, when he is qualified enough, and a secret is given, you should understand why a secret. You may be thinking, is it a privacy? Is it like this? No. It is all about a secret. So certain activities like sex, like meditation, they are to protect your progeny. It is, you are sowing a seed. Entire India, a crop, on a particular day only paddy is sown, wheat is sown, And a Brahmin, a priest will tell, today is it auspicious day or not. For paddy, for growing paddy, every season a priest will tell, and before a calendar begins for that year, and they calculate so and so date is an auspicious day to plough the field. And so day is auspicious for sowing the seed or sowing a plant. So and so day is very good day to cut the crop. So and so day is auspicious to cut the crop. You walk into any terrain in India or in an Asian country, I would definitely tell you it is there. Even today, people practice. If one is not practicing, means he is a commercial person and he is damaging. So for everything, there is a sacred secret which has to be protected so that the crop will be good, crop will not be affected by the insects, crop will not be affected by so many things, elements. Bad elements won't become turbulent or viral, so that crop is protected. So also, and sowing a seed, a sex is sowing a seed, an activity of union, an activity of a, whatever the way you induce, it leads to a sacred union, it is called. That's why there are the temples constructed for that. That's why it is called yoga, because it is sacred secret. Now, what are we doing? Our youth? Insensitive we have become. Problem is, that's what I said, how disconnected we are with this nature. How selfish we have become. How self-centered we have become. I won't want to sleep in the night, It's my privacy. It's my liking. I will play. Damn, you do whatever you want. I won't entertain. You close your door. In every house now, doors are closed. And you will never know what that kid or that young adolescent or adult is doing inside. Problem is not for us. A COVID virus is born, a new virus is born out of any distortion that happens. What happens? Everything goes dead wrong. Because the entire universe program runs at such a precision. You may be thinking, if I don't sleep, so what? If I don't sleep, so what? And now the culture is BPO. While America is awake, now Indians are working in the night, It's a big business. Countries should be very careful about this, because these centers of disturbances, in the night, those centers which are working, and it is known also. Do you know? You study psychological studies now. Today you go on to the Google, study the research on the psyche of the people who are doing the night shifts. The people working in round the clock, ROC, shifts. Especially who are working in the night. The research shows how damaged their physical health, physiological health and their mental health, and how damaged their psychological health. These software companies, these call centers, and yes, in America you have your own call center there. During that time you operate, no problem. You shift, you have office in India. When India is awake, you use that office. But now, what is the big business in India? India is the biggest now BPO center. And 100,000 people working in that one single organization, and all night, and this BPO company here staying in India and connected to the entire world, different time zones. And the towers of BPOs, cyber towers, BPO towers in India, they are the towers of destruction of entire environment. You should see the psyche of these people. Absolutely, you see the level of immaturity, level of emotional imbalance, level of indulgence in the fast food, the level of indulgence, and at morning 3 o'clock, morning 2 o'clock they indulge in taking the food, and they have no awareness. When I go to teach yoga early morning, it is other part of the city wherein I travel about 30 kilometers. When I travel the 30 kilometers and that zone, so that zone is in the software zone. I see the people, when I go at morning 4 o'clock, I see the people and rush, so much line in front of a restaurant and so much line queuing up, eating. Morning 3 o'clock eating, 4 o'clock, the time of the Brahma Muhurta, sleeping. Generating melatonin, you are generating what you are generating? You are activating leptin signal, you are activating cortisol activity. Where is education, my dear? While world is awake, while world is asleep, yogi is awake. Yogi is awake because he is in harmony. He is protecting the entire environment. The purpose of awake is to protect. Your purpose of awake is to protect or destruct? Tell me. It is to destruct, not to protect anyone. It's a commercial activity. It's a business activity, or it is an indulgence activity. The all causes psychic imbalances. All this is the night. Simply, we are becoming traitors of this planet program. That's why this program is trying to eliminate whoever tries to disturb its cycle, tries to eliminate them in any way, because they are not falling in coherence with the program. Just understand, when you don't sleep in the night means it is a problem of not you, your family, your friends. If you consider entire world as your family, I tell you, you will never do such a thing. So in India everyone should go to sleep, that's all. If you are in America, everyone should go to sleep. Whom it will protect? It will protect all the species, first of all, as a family member of all the species. We are not understanding. A mosquito is our family member, a virus is our family member, it is our own family member, and a lion is our own family member, monkey is our own family member. And why they are attacking on us? Because in our own family, why someone is attacking? Because in disharmony. Why one child is not listening? Because he is in disharmony, he is a terrorist, he is angry. So why one particular virus is not listening to us? It is our own family. There is no different family. As I told you, your DNA can manufacture it. As its memory, 6.48 billion files you have. Out of 6.48 billion files, there is no file that is not there. It is capable, your system is capable of handling COVID-19. But why? Because this COVID-19, our own family member, our own child, and has become a terrorist. Why he has become terrorist? Because we made him a terrorist. So if entire universe, entire planet, if it only goes to sleep, all these activities are cut off. Evenings after 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, no electricity supply. It will make you physiological adaptations automatically. Your pain maker, you will grow automatically. Except, there's no exceptions. Even your refrigerated food you stop eating, you will be living healthy. Oh my God, what should happen to my ice cream in the refrigerator? Oh my God, what should happen to my vegetables in the... Because refrigerator is killing. I am telling you, had our ancestors, did they have refrigerators? So we are living today means they lived, they survived. Why we can't live? So what is not required, refrigerator means what is not required, we are using it. A drug we use, vaccine we use, injections we use, drugs we use, ice creams we use, all these things, is there any good sense? No. Bad only. What else? Is your refrigerator protecting the nutrition? Where it is protecting the nutrition? The human understanding of protection of the nutrition, what happens at the DNA structural level, and when you keep anything in the refrigerator, your level of understanding, magnesium is reduced, this B complex is reduced or increased. Can you check? The level of consciousness that comes down once the food is dumped in the refrigerator, the inertia that occupies, because you are working again is the laws of nature. And nothing can be. And you tell other side, eat locally grown fruits, locally grown vegetables. And another side you say, and while Arctic and Antarctic is in ice, now you will have ice in your own house. Is it called respecting the nature around us? Because now you can create ice. So that's why. Do you think ice cream is healthy? If someone wants to sell, he will sponsor the research and he will prove ice cream is very healthy. Oh, tomorrow onwards, it is tasty. Oh my God, guilt-free living. Still yesterday I was feeling guilty, Now the research shows ice cream is very healthy. You don't understand the entire research on the chocolate, entire research on these ice creams, and so sponsored, You go through all the research done on the chocolates, you will clearly find this is sponsored by so and so chocolate company. Entire coffee is very good, let us promote. Yes, the way it is prepared, the way it is done, it is. But observe wherever coffee studies are, in-depth studies are done, all these are the sponsored studies. Who is doing the COVID studies? In every COVID paper published, have you seen it? It is sponsored by so and so company. It is sponsored so and so company. So do you think he will sponsor it without any self-interest? Any sponsorship? But we watch, we read sponsored programs, and we are already affected by this sponsored research. The world has already become weak for the chocolate. But without knowing the standard of a chocolate, what is the 99% of the dark chocolate? So, but world is it entire world is eating 99% chocolate, dark chocolate, or is it the entire world, which chocolate is sold more? Is the milk contaminated, malt contaminated, sucrose contaminated, emulsifier contaminated, a non-vegetarian source emulsifier, preservatives contaminated, and chocolate the world eats. The moment certain chocolate you keep in the mouth, you can see the stink from it. And people love, oh my God, this chocolate is so tasty. I really wonder what kind of sensitivity the children are having. And inside the mouth it is sticky, it is going like this. Oh my God, yummy, silky, the chocolate is. And when you eat such a chocolate, next day when you sit for potty, nothing comes out. Everything, such a horrible smell, I can't tell you. And yet, this child or this young, educated, going to the college, and when he is going to the potty and such a stinking smell is coming, yet he won't realize. Yet he won't realize, this silky and this smoothie inside smoothie and nothing smooth here in the down. Everything is sticky. What is smooth here and everything is becoming sticky here, he doesn't understand the relationship between, and that ignorant he is, that disconnected he is. We are totally disconnected from our own body, our own cells, disconnected from the world around us. And this is what creating a problem today. Especially the youth, every youth is a terrorist. Why? Because they won't sleep in the night. All their activities you observe and only causing disturbance to electromagnetic flux. But do you know what this youth feels? We are ours is a smart generation, You look at their ego level. That itself shows how disconnected they are. And their temperament, their emotions, matured adults like us, when we look at how silly they look, their fashion, their hair cutting style, their dresses, you can see that. And that fellow thinks it is a fashion, but an adult when he looks at, so a matured adult I am talking, because now I won't say adult means, I should use the word always matured adult, because at the age of 60 years, 70 years also when I go abroad, people are having tattoos, designers, looking for a girlfriend, looking for a boyfriend, so immature, they're psych, they're thinking. So because, means they must be born in a family, like that. So a matured adult can see how these youth are programmed blind, how immature their levels of understanding with respect to own, their dress, their nails, no samskara, there is no, their hair, their nails, and the hair, and the clothes, completely unhygiene, without socks they wear shoes, and the shoe is stinking, I don't know, that fellow, how he wears that shoe, and the moment he leaves the shoe stinking, and look at perfumes, and look at earning money, so much money he is getting, and his clothes stink, the same dress he wears again and again, 1 week, 10 days, 15 days, my mother never allowed. He said, even today my wife doesn't allow. Hey, you are wearing again second day, no, dump them. Hey, servant is not coming, my dear wife, so it is very difficult for you because you are handling the business, you are handling the family, and again this additional. That's my concern. I don't want you to wear. Do you know this dress worn in the morning and the dress in which I come here, I am only wearing for 15 minutes, half an hour. I said, this is only used for half an hour. My wife won't agree. No, put it in the washing machine. She never allows me. During my childhood, my mother, now my wife. I find this greatest similarity in them. The greatest similarity is everyday clothes have to be washed. Where you wear for a while, I just went out and came back. Why don't I go to the office in the same dress? My wife. I should listen or not? Tell me. And today I am telling you, the same stink you want to carry. Your emotions, dress you are wearing, carry your emotions, your feelings, the dirt outside, where you wear for a one moment, COVID virus, where you hold it for a one moment, and where you hold it for 2 moments, 3 moments. COVID virus is very, very special virus, and you touch it, it hugs you. And I think touch also is not required, and it loves our body so much, and it comes and hugs us. It is not allowing our girlfriends and boyfriends to hug now. But COVID virus wants to hug. It already separated us, all of us. Oh my God, no, not even shake hand, because it wants to give a shake hand. It wants to hug us. It loves us so much. So we should, So because it saw how violently, so all the time shaking hand and oh my God, you only love your girlfriend? You see how smart I am? Now, it separated all of us, at least for the good. No more shake hand. And even someone keeps hand there now for you to touch, sanitize. Even you touch, immediately sanitizer. Now, sanitizer pens, and sanitizer electronic bottles. Now, sanitizer pens. The profitable businesses are now sanitizers and masks, and so sanitizer dispensing and equipments. Profitable overnight you can start, because this COVID virus will be there. Research is showing another 2 years. So 2 years you can make very good bucks, don't worry. Everyone is making masks, cotton masks and everything. I have given you already clue. Silk, pure raw silk you use. Refined silk also you can use, but refined silk is really good. But so for already people having cardiorespiratory problems, difficult. So raw silk, that is the best mask. Do one study, so research study, just sponsor it, and 10,000 rupees, 15,000 rupees, and just 150 pounds or 1,000 pounds you spend, and so study cotton fabric versus the pure silk fabric, and how it repellenting, which is controlling the dust, which is repelling the dust, which is killing actually the virus. And you will come out with the mind-blowing research. Oh my God, and this silk and no surgical mask required is much more efficient than any other mask. Overnight you will become like a Mark Zuckerberg. Overnight you will become like a Larry Page. Overnight you will become like Elon Musk. Overnight you will become like a Jeff Bezos. I am giving you clues now. At least this is much cheaper. And this is much... Everyone loves it because silk comes from the nature. Everyone loves. But now if I tell the world doesn't listen, so for world to listen, sponsored research is required. So that's why maybe if you are not doing, I will do it. I am already doing with the oil because I have shown you the oil, and the moment study is done, I will show you what research. And so whether this vaporizer oil, whether it is working against COVID virus or not, also I am studying. The report may be available in 1 week or 10 days. I will tell you. And so also, so this mask, if I sponsor, you give me the money. Just $10 all of you give. At least I will contribute. I will tell my results to you. I don't have to publish anywhere. I will publish it for your sake. And tomorrow all companies, once I publish, all companies and silk cost will go up. And people will, do you know, my silk is patented silk here. My silk is special. My turmeric extract is special now. My turmeric extract, do you know, I am using a particular turmeric extract, No, at last nature has given a turmeric. Now turmeric extract also is patented. Now how many patents on turmeric extract are there you see now? As if the turmeric is invented by these guys. Patent means what? Yes, maybe 1% of one particular compound you must have increased or you must have. It is not a great deal at all if you ask me as a chemist. For that, and he will pay say $1,500 for a patent. And then what he will do? He will sell a 1 pound at 100 pounds or 10 pounds. And he will study on the top, So this molecule, bio, so starting with bio-curcumin or, so bio-piperine or, bio-ashwagandha, bio-garcinia, and the moment the star comes here, or and you and me interested in this, or oh my God, it is a special molecule, Mr. Kumar, so that's why it's expensive. Whatever I am giving, all special molecules only. But do I have to mention R? You won't believe me. So, for you to believe me, I have to put R. This R is expensive. It makes the price increasing. I'm just telling you now, what you eat, bread also, will have, bread, R. This R bread. I'm interested in the R bread. I'm not interested in ordinary bread, what my grandmother prepares, And this R bread is very, very good, And the formula contains more R's means we are horse. So that's why don't look for simply, don't get cheated by the R's. Simply studying a small paper and simply small studying a 1% increase also you can have R. 0.1% you increase one particular compound also you can say R. Especially the way the lutein, all these phytochemicals, lutein, xanthine, astaxanthin, when I look at every curcumin, ginger extract, curcumin extract, who is selling? Who is making profits? If I have to make so profit means I have to make our company. Oh, I have so many patents, my company, Oh, you have patents? Then we will buy from you. In fact, you should say, I will not buy from you. And America, UK, come to India, I have patents, Oh, you have patents? Whom you are making? You are making your product expensive to your customer, and you are making this person profitable in India and depriving many people. That's why this whole patent business, you look at how self-centered, how expensive our life is becoming. Say for example, if this is not patented, the cost will come down at minimum 10 times to 15 times. Minimum. If this patent business is only stopped, the trademarks only stopped, the world, I think, every gadget we can easily afford. The cost will come down tremendously, I tell you. And we are worshipping. This is every scientist, everyone. I say, I have so many patents, I have so many citations, patents, More patents you have means more worship now. How many patents our saints have taken? I am using Yajnavalkya, Vasishtha, Buddha, and Buddha 84,000 dharma, 84,000 patents. How much we should owe to the Buddha? It's for free, but why they have given free? And which is superior? Whether this patent or that patent of the Buddha's knowledge or Veda's knowledge, which is far superior? That's far, far superior compared to this. That's why we don't value what a human mind is. We are vulnerable when you don't understand the logic, when you don't understand the pramana, when you don't understand the loop. Indirectly, directly, we only feed the rich, we further become poor. Understand? All this patent business, all this in the name of what happens is, I'm a scientist. And people said for my research I should take the patent. But I'm thinking, I'm not at all interested in taking the patent.